Hey guys, in this video we are going to be reflecting a point. So the question says, on the graph, plot the point -4, 2. Then reflect the point over the x-axis, label it C, reflect C over the y-axis, label it D, then identify the coordinates for both C and D. Now before I actually do any of that, I want to jot down some things I know. So first of all, I know my x-axis is this horizontal, my y-axis is the vertical axis, and I'm always plotting points x, then y. That's alphabetical. So our first point, -4, 2, -4 is on our x-axis, so I'm going to go backwards 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will label that as -4. And then I'm going up on the y-axis 2, so I can even write down 1, 2. And now that is my first point. I'm going to just label it -4, 2. They don't tell me to label it with A or anything. I'm just going to write -4, 2. Now I'm going to reflect it over the x-axis. So I find my x-axis is this. And by reflecting it over the x-axis, I'm going to find its mirror image on that x-axis. So my x value is actually going to stay the same, and my y value is going to be the opposite. Now, instead of 2 above, it's going to be 2 below. So my new point is right there. It's a mirror image over the x-axis, and I'm told to label that C. And right now, let's find the coordinates. So my x didn't change. It's still -4, but my y now, instead of +2, is -2. So my new coordinates are -4, -2. Let's do the next one in another color. Now we're going to reflect C over the y-axis. So here's my y-axis, and C is going to move that way. Now, the y value actually doesn't change, so it's still going to be on the same line, but instead of 4 to our left, we're going to go 4 to our right. And I can mark this, I guess I should have marked that as -2, and this is 4 just to help me out. And our new point is going to be at 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to call that point D. And our coordinates for it, now on the x-axis, we are at +4. And on the y-axis, we are still there at -2. So what's true about C is that our x stayed the same and our y value changed. What's true about D from C is that our y value stayed the same and our x value changed. You don't have to memorize that. Just remembering the axis that you're going over and then counting the same amount of spaces is going to work. But right here is a way to reflect from an original point down across the x-axis, then over the y-axis. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.